everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys my awesome Walgreens haul. I thought Walgreens was going to be kind of a little bit slow today, but then when I went there, I found some good deals. I ended up grabbing some stuff that I didn't have on my list because there were some easy deals for that. I'm like ice cold right now. My basement has like zero heat down here, so I have the window, I have the sun shining in, but it's still not enough warmth. There's some deals, especially one deal that you guys want to do today. Those coupons end today. So if you guys have that deal, go for it. And that is going to be the all deal. Now this is a great deal. Now the 2 off 2 coupon expires today. There is a $1 off coupon that doesn't expire for another week, I think, but you can only use one of those coupons per transaction. Just giving you guys a heads up on that. But the all right now with those coupons are $2.99. You guys want to use that 2 off 2 coupon that we got from, I think it was like 2 or 3 weeks ago. You guys would pay $3.98, but then you get 3,000 points, making it just 98 cents or 49 cents a piece. That is an awesome deal. I went on my Savings Star website or Savings Star app because every Sunday morning I always get in my head to add new rebates because some of those rebates are only good for like a couple hours and then they're gone because they limit them. But I had a $1 off any all laundry, so that made those absolutely free. So that deal ended today. And then I also have another deal on Savings Star where if you spend $25 you get $5 back with Savings Star on certain products. Well, as you guys see, as I've been doing my rebate or my videos, I've been submitting my receipts for that. That's like for the Clorox, it's for Right Guard, it's for Tone, like all that stuff. So I just needed to spend about $5 more to get that rebate, and I did. So I will be getting $5 back for the spend 25, get 5. So these actually came out to be free plus a $5 moneymaker for just buying 2 of them. So I think that is an awesome idea. So make sure you guys do that. And that deal doesn't end for 2 more days. So you guys have a little bit more time to do that. But the 2 off 2 coupon and the $1 off Savings Star ends today. So I was excited to do that deal. Be prepared. Some of your stores might be wiped out. Some of your stores won't. Those coupons don't come out in my area. So I don't have to really worry about that. So there's that. And now my store, what was weird is my store, I found out one of my employees that I used to talk to quit. I'm like, I haven't seen her in a month. And they're like, oh yeah, she quit. And I'm like, oh, sweet. Because it was one I used to always talk to and she actually watched my videos. And then, because she was always putting tags up every time I went there. Well, today I go there and like nothing is marked. So the prices, the pictures that I show you guys, most of them are just the coupon because the store didn't have any sale tags up. I scanned it with the app, which I still need to do a video for you guys on that. But the app sometimes doesn't always show what's on sale and what doesn't. It's kind of weird. So then I had to go keep getting price checks, and it's like, I know the store's not supposed to keep, I know the store gets duped for doing price checks, but it's not my fault. I mean, I got there at like 9, 10 o'clock and they still didn't have prices up. So, I mean, yes, I understand they're understaffed. I totally understand on that, but just giving you guys a heads up. But the Lysol was buy one, get one 50%, or buy one, get one free. These were $2.59. Now, you guys cannot use a coupon on a free item, so you guys can only use one 50-cent off coupon. So these come out to be just $2.09 or just $1.04. So this is something we use these like crazy. This is something I never give away. For a while there, they used to be super cheap, but now I don't get these as much. So I'm like, you know what? I need more toilet bowl cleaner. I have 3 bathrooms. So for $2.09 or $1.04 a piece, I think that's a pretty decent deal. So I wanted to share with you guys with that. I ended up doing, now this is a different, there's 2 different ways of doing this. There's the Colgate deal for the twin toothpaste, and then there's also the Colgate deal for the twin toothbrushes. Now we did get 50 cent off coupons if you guys want to do it that way. It'd be $4.49. You guys use those 50 cent off coupons. They come out to be $3.99. You get 3,000 points. These come out to be just 99 cents a piece. Toothpaste, but the toothbrushes for 99 cents for 2 of them, I think that's a pretty good deal. But you guys could also go to Colgate.com and actually print off coupons yourself. You'd get 75 cent off coupons if you guys do that. So this comes out to be $3.74. You get 3,000 points, and it comes to just be 74 cents, which is an even better deal. So my store, I had to kind of just guess on what was what, and I had to go get a price check, and it worked. So just wanted to give you guys a heads up with that. The toothbrushes, I think, are the better deal than the toothpaste, but still wanted to share with you guys on certain deals. I mean, I don't need any more toothpaste, but I still like to share with you guys because some of you guys are newbies. Some of you guys really just coupon whenever. So everybody is different. Now I did the Crest Oral-B deal, and I did do different transactions because I don't like paying so much out of pocket. I cannot wait for the new point system to pop up because then I won't be making so much little transactions. But I ended up doing the toothpaste and the mouthwash because I feel like with those that are a better deal. Now you can still do the same thing with the Colgate or with the Crest toothpaste, but like I said, I like stocking up on toothbrushes and mouthwash because I have a lot of toothpaste. So these deals are $3.99. Now we did get $1 off coupons that are in this Sunday's P&G. You guys want to use 2 of them. Now you can mix and match. You can buy 1 Colgate or 1 mouthwash, 1 toothpaste, or it just depends on what you guys want to do. But you guys would come out to be $5.98. You guys would get a $4 register reward. My register reward did not print. I did email Walgreens and they're like, oh, you need to contact the Catalina company. I says, I go to multiple stores and they never print no matter what stores I go to. So, I don't know, but they're like, you need to contact the Catalina company. I hate contacting the Catalina company, and the store most likely just gives me points, so, and I'm totally fine with that. But these come out to be just $1.98 or just 99 cents a piece. So it just depends on what you guys need. I mean, I think 99 cents for toothbrushes are an okay deal. I mean, that's usually what average price I pay for the toothbrushes, and these actually look pretty cool. Like, some of these toothbrushes have, like, changed over the years, so wanted to share with you guys with the toothbrushes, and then I also got 2 Crest. So I did that deal 2 different times. You guys can do that deal multiple times, as much as you want. Just make sure you do it in separate transactions, and do not use that register reward to pay for the same thing again. So we got that. Oh, one thing I totally forgot. This deal, the 25-cent deal. Now I did post a video where you guys will get 25 4x6 photos for 25 cents. It's a limit 1 per account. You guys cannot do this multiple times. And I have a list of, I think April's going to be a really good deal. I know around Easter time is when they do a free 8x10, and there's come up a couple other ideas. So I told my husband to pick 25 photos. We went to Vegas like years ago. And I said, Graham, why don't you pick some photos that we could develop for the photo album that we buy. I always buy a photo album everywhere we go. So he picked out 25 photos. So he likes taking pictures of things. He's not much of like taking pictures of people, but he's really into like, you know, stop and enjoying, you know, what we see, which I'm fine with because, you know what you look like. So he picked the 25 photos out. So I'll be putting these in the picture frame, but these were a quarter. I paid a quarter for these. And it's for today only, Sunday only. So if you guys want to keep seeing more photo deals other than just the free 8x10s, I'll try to share with you guys as many deals as possible. I don't like showing every deal, but sometimes when they're too good to be true, like most of the time when I order photos, I'm going to definitely do that. So just wanted to give you guys with that. Now the Tic Tacs are on sale for 99 cents. Now we do have a 50-cent off coupon for that. I did do my math for that. But these come out to be just 49 cents. I can't do math in my head all of a sudden. So I got these because Ben loves Tic Tacs. So I got these for him whenever he's a good boy. But 49 cents for Tic Tacs. I used to have Tic Tacs like all the time. But now I feel like there's not as much deals for that. I spilled all over my shirt. Thanks, Jennifer. Thanks. It's just water, but okay. The next deal we did was the Scott's deal. I love doing this deal. I don't need to do this deal anymore, but I still share with you guys, and it's just great to have paper products because this stuff never goes bad. So we got the Scott's paper towels or the Scott's toilet paper. Now these are $5, and this week, and I have a feeling these are going to be this way all month long. I'm not 100% sure. I didn't look at the tag, but they're $5, and they're buy one get one 50% off. We do have 50-cent off coupons that we had from our inserts a couple weeks ago. Plus, there's coupons that just popped up on coupons.com. So you guys want to use two 50-cent off coupons. You guys would end up paying just $6.50. You guys also want to submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. You do that, you get bonus points. I think I got like 88 points for that transaction. But it's not much, but hey, you can still get points. And so the grand total technically still is $6.50 or $3.25, which I think is a pretty decent deal. I mean, I don't have a problem with Scott's. It's actually been one of my favorites. I mean, I have some choice, but Scott's is pretty decent. Don't have any complaints. So $3.25 is an okay deal. Wouldn't say it's like a huge stock up deal, but it's still a good deal in case you guys just need some stuff here and there. Oh, I got a couple more for you. Now I did this deal. I did the Ponds deal again. Now these were just regular price, $3.49. Now they have a deal where if you buy two, you get points. So you guys want to buy two. You guys would pay $6.98 for the both of these. But then you guys can actually submit your receipt to checkout 51, where you guys will get $1 and $1 back. Plus, you guys will get 2,000 points when you buy two of them. So this is a deal where you guys can pay with points and get points. So it's coming to be just $2.98 or $1.49. And I know some of you guys said you are Ponds loyal, so I just wanted to share with you guys with that in case you guys need some certain things. I mean, I haven't gotten makeup wipes in forever, so I wanted to do that. And then I got OxyClean. Now this isn't the greatest deal like it was a couple weeks ago, but some of you guys still have coupons left. And I say if you still want to, I hate sometimes having coupons go to waste. So this was $3.99. You guys use, I'm sorry, I'm just thinking about me dripping water all over myself. You guys would use that $2 off coupon. Now I didn't get it, I didn't have any of those coupons, so I just used a printable $2 off coupon from coupons.com that I had. So you guys would just get this for $1.99. Again, not the greatest, not the huge stock up deal, but it's a good, so if you guys don't want to have your coupons go to waste, you guys can do this. Or if you want to burn points, you guys can pay with points with that. So that was it. Now I had I did about 4 separate transactions because I don't like paying so much out of pocket. So I ended up doing that, but I did add everything together. Out of all that stuff, it came to $28.62. Now, I did not truly pay that price because I used about $20 worth of points. I always pay $5 in points, but it doesn't factor in your exact total. So $28.62. I ended up getting $11 back in points. That was for the Colgate Twin and then the Colgate toothbrushes. And then I got 2,000 points back for the Ponds. And then I was supposed to get 2 $8 register rewards, but they did not print, so they gave me 8,000 points for that. And then I will be getting $6 back from Saving Star. That's for the $1 all. And then I got the spend 25, get $5 back for the all. And then I got I didn't get it yet, but I will be getting $2 back from Checkout 51. So if you add everything together, now please keep in mind I do get an employee discount. My husband works for the company, so I get the discount for that. So my grand total came to $1.62. I got 17 items, that's just 9 cents a piece. I think that's awesome when I can get paper towels and toilet paper that cheap. Yeah. So I always, what I'm a type of person is where if I spend points, I hope to get that much points back, or at least in register rewards, or my money back in Ibotta. So like I try to keep it all even is what I try to do. But yeah, other than that, that was my Walgreens haul. I may or may not do a second haul. A lot of you guys are liking the second haul. If I can find some more deals for you guys, I will definitely do a second haul, because I got my Tuesdays free now because my son goes to a jumping class. So got some Tuesdays for an hour by myself. So just wanted to share with you guys on that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up so I know you enjoy it, and I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.